Hello everyone, this is Business Plus on your way today again, guys. I've come on your way today to give you another powerful strategy. So I came with another powerful strategy. As you can see, guys, this is real account as you can see, and I have closed little profit on this account. So this is $48 that I've closed earlier today. See? So I decided to take in more signal on Crash 1000 in this so that you guys can see that this is the strategy is working fine and everything about the strategy is perfect. All right, 100% perfect. Now I want to show you every clue, everything you need to know about this wonderful strategy. Okay, so guys, as you can see, we have a spike down on Crash 1000 in this, but why do we have a spike down is what I'm gonna show you. And the reason why I am not scared of the spike is what I will later show you. I'm just gonna do this in two ways. I'm gonna show you something that's happening on probably two time frame, which is M1 and also that of H4. All right, so the strategy has been I'm working on H4. All right, that's where I picked my signal, and also M1 will just be doing its own thing. All right, so you can use it in both ways. You can use it to trade for the spike and also against the spikes. So guys, before I proceed, I want to let you understand something, that I am a trained trader. All right, so anytime I'm trading the trend, I'm not gonna stay away from the strategy that is working for me perfectly in the market. And as you can see in my signal group, I dropped this signal. I dropped it and it's powerful, guys. It's powerful. So we hardly lose trades. We hardly lose trades and in the VIP. So guys, don't forget to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. So click the subscribe button, guys, turn on the notification bell, so this will encourage me to drop more free tips for you guys, more free VIP tips for you guys, so that you'll be able to trade on your own. And if you have any question, you can drop any of your comment, drop it below, and also you can check the description button to see the link to our Telegram channel, guys. So the link, and also you can check the pin post on the comments, so you can join the Telegram channel so that I can pick more free signals. Guys, give this powerful strategy a thumbs up so that this will make me do more better next time. So on this strategy, let me just go. Let me just say something about how people used to ask questions that which time frame you trading on, which time frame is best for this strategy, and let's stop. So guys, with this strategy you can use any time frame. All right, you can use any time frame, you can use any zoom level also. All right, now this is zoom level. We have zoomed in. This is 1, this is 2. All right, then this is 3. All right, then this is 4. This is the 5th, which is the last zoom level. Okay, so it depends on the zoom level you are, then it depends on how long you can stay on this trade. All right, but for me, where the signal was picked, it was picked on H4, which is 4 hours time frame. Now let me show you. You can see it was picked on H4. All right, so we have nothing to be scared about, though I've picked some profit. You can see this is $48 on this smaller account, guys. So I just used the this strategy on this mobile device. So on other mobile device we have over $10,000 which is running. All right, so let me even check to see. Probably I'll share the screen with you guys, so not to waste our time, let me just go to explaining how the strategy works straight. All right, so we have over $459 here running. All right, with lot size of 5.0. Yeah, exactly. So guys, now let me explain. Now I'm clicking on the crosshair. Now as you can see, we are working with the zoom level 1. When I click on the crosshair, you can see or let me use the arrow so that you can understand me better. All right, you can see at this point where all the moving averages on RSI has intercepted together, then you can see it's coming down. Definitely if it's for a spiking a spiking pace, yeah, a spiking space, it means that a spike is going to happen. All right, so now let's go to another zoom level, which is 2 zoom level. All right, you can see that on this second zoom level, you can see all the moving averages has touched the level of what? The level of 90. You can see the 90. All right, it has touched the level of 90. Definitely it's gonna come down, all right, so that it can go higher up again. So let me change this to another time frame. You can see on zoom 1. Now let's go to the first zoom level. You can see the arrow is still pointing at all the moving averages. All right, all of them, they have met at 90, or they're probably above 90. You see, so it's now coming down. All right, it's now coming down. All right, when you picking your trades from this point, depending on the time frame that you be using the signal, which is M5 or probably M1. M1 and M5 is very good for scalpers. Okay, so we have nothing to be fair. You can see the signal is recovering from the last one I input, which is 0.50, which is at minus 1.26 now, counting down. All right, so you can see when all of them intersected, that's when you can see that okay, we have a spike. All right, but if you have a smaller account, guys, if you have a smaller account, what you do is you go back to M1. All right, you can trade for spikes. Here you can see we have several spikes already. You can see these are the spikes, you see them. All right, we have nothing to be scared about, we have nothing to fear. It's a very good signal. Now let me show you the setup. Now I have all the setup here. You can see the first thing you had on the indicator window 1 is the relative strength index. You can see this is the setting. The period is 1000, apply to close, then star is 1 pixels, then you give the color white. All right, because the background of the RSI will be white here. Okay, then you give the RSI line white color. All right, so that you will not be confused with the relative with the moving averages that will be added later. So the relative strength index is 1000. All right, apply to close tie, and the pixels is 1 pixels. Then you have to set the level. You can see the level is 990. Click on done. When that is set, then we go again to another setup, which is the moving average. You can see we have many moving averages here. All right, so if one lies, the second will not lie, the third will not lie, the fourth will not lie. So we have 20 moving averages here, but don't be confused, guys. It's very simple. The only thing you need to do is just set up the first one. All right, you can see the parameters, which is the period 1, the shift is 0, the method is exponential, the apply to is weighted close HLLC 4/4, then the style is 2 pixels, you give it color blue. All right, then when you are done with this, you click on done. Now for the second one, the second moving averages, you can see the period is 2, the shift is 0, then the method is exponential, the apply to is weighted close HLLC 4/4, then you give the color blue. Now let's check the third one. You can see the only difference you can see from here is just that I am changing all the period. So I'm starting the period from 1, while the remaining setup is the same thing. The period is 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, till you get to the last one, which is 20. You can see all the setup are the same thing. All right, you're just gonna give them different colors, but mind you, don't give them white color for the star. All right, make sure that you are maintaining a constant pixels. All right, make sure you are maintaining a constant pixels. This color for the 28th period for the moving average is just 20. The period is 20. And guys, see, is recovering real account, no faking. So when they meet at the level of 90 at the top, you sell. All right, make sure that all the RSI, all the moving average, sorry, all the moving averages crossing each other. Then when it's coming down, and probably we might even have another spike here, but where the signal was picked from is H4. Now let me show you. See, on H4, check all the zoom levels. This is zoom level, this is the first zoom level, the second zoom level. All right, it's still expecting this, right? Then the third zoom level is still expecting that. Then the fourth zoom level, you can see still expecting what is happening here. And at the fourth zoom level, you can see it has almost gotten to 90. Definitely we might see some spikes. All right, then the fifth zoom level, all right, you can see it has gotten to the top, which is the first confirmation that spikes will happen. All right, because this is on H4, mind you, don't forget. But if you pick your trade from around this point, you're gonna get a lot of money. You can see it's buying. All right, true signals don't lie. This is what I use to drop the VIP signal today. All right, this is what I use, and you can see, and I've closed some. All right, so within probably less than 30 minutes, 1 hour, I'm getting over $100. All right, it's because of the spike down, that's why it has been reduced this way. So guys, don't forget to click on the like button, subscribe, yeah, subscribe, and also check the pin post, check the description also, so that you can read through. And if you have any message for me, you can contact me at Business Plus CEO. All right, so guys, this signal is getting to this point. Let me show you. This is where it's going. Yeah, this is where it's going. It's going to around 80. We have nothing to be scared about. All right, so I've stick with a particular zoom screen. All right, so that's where you can see it's going up and up. Even if spike should happen, it's going up. So guys, this is Business Plus. I just want you to stay with me, subscribe to the channel. I'm still working on another powerful strategy, and I'm gonna drop the video next for you guys. So guys, thumbs up for this video, comments. Join the Telegram, guys, to pick up some free signals. You might not have the time to do all this. For also account management, talk to me. Let's manage your accounts. Let's make some money together, guys. So thank you. God bless you and stay safe.